Assalamualaikum guys, so welcome back to our lesson. So in this video we are going to continue our lesson. So as previously we have done the guideline of the Hajj and Umrah. So today video we are going to continue. So what we need to do is we need to create the let's try to create the new module for this app. Okay, let's go. Good. Okay, next module. Okay, so we need to put as a next module for AI to understand what is the next flow. Okay, so now as we have done the tawaf and so on, in this one we also need to create the count. The count mean that when you type it will count of the tawaf, which is the seven round of that. So first we need to have the controller. You can see that controller and then tawaf. So we go to the controller here, controller folder, and create the tawaf controller here, tawaf controller that. Okay, now we have done that. Let's try to copy the coding. Actually there is no much of the coding. I just only try to next round, which is the from 1 to 7. Okay, let's count and let's copy it, and let's move to the next one, the web page. We need to also to make sure that the web page is created. If not, we have to create again. Okay, let's try to see. So now as we have to create in the view, so I need to create it first, the web page, which is the view. Actually we don't have it yet, that's why we need to create it in the view and then the web page. And also we need to copy this code. Alright, so we have this, and also we need to connect. You see that we need to connect to the detail page. So inside our existing UI, after description we need to also if it's count. So let's try to put it inside the UI after description. So I'm going to copy this, and let's try to go to the detail page, find out what is the tawaf. You can see that we have description, and try to make sure that it is tawaf. Okay, we have the section. Let me check is where is the description. Maybe somewhere here. Okay, just to make it fast, I'm going to copy this. Let the AI identify where is the area that we have to add on. Okay, I'm going to copy this, and I have to put it where to add. Okay, so let them understand the flow, so that you can see that we need to find this section, the button action, and then we have to add this inside. So you can see that we have to put it inside this. So I'm going to find this word so that it will not take too long for us to find out where is this. Okay, you can see this, and the function need to be here. So let's try to see. Here is that. Okay, so let's try to see. Now you can see this is how the example look like. We have this, and we have to add this here around this, so which means that it's not inside this, it should be between this. You see this. I'm going to add this and then copy this to put it here, so that we have the space. And this one, so we need to also add the page and the get as well. I think okay, one more. Okay, now all working. Let's try to refresh how it works. Okay, let's even go into the tab here. You can see that in the tab here we have this stat count. Okay, you can see that when I click it, and then it comes to the tab page, which is I have to go to work from one. Okay, you can see that this is how it works. Okay, so now we have done of the tab count. Let's try to move to the next. So here you can see that we have the recommended, the module is recommended. We have a countdown, this very fast building, and also we need to make the hatch map. It's a powerful feature. So now we're going to for the hatch map first. Okay, so let them create the map first so that we can see how the map look like. So now you can see that when we create the map, you can see this here is an example of the UI that have generated for us. But what we need to do is we need to also to add the package of this. You see map, Google Map Flutter here. So what we need to do is we need to have also the API of the Google Map for us to make the real map of that. Okay, you can see that we have Sai, we have Famina, and so on. So let's try to see. And this is the map button from home. So update the home of the hack as well. So okay, let's try one by one. I'm going to install the package of the map first. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, you have to open the terminal to run this package. Okay, so it's done. Let's try to see it coming or not. You can see this is the map, Google Map package. We have done it, and what we need to do is we also need to go to the Android for set up the real API of this as well, and at the same time also the iOS. Okay, let's try to copy this. Okay, let's go to the Android first. We have the Android here, have the app and the SRC, and the main we have here the Android manifest. So what we need to do is you can see that we have this. So what we have to do, we have to also need to add the new one. You can see this, we have this. So metadata here. I'm going to copy all of this first so that we can delete later. Okay, let's try to see. Maybe I can put around here for that. Okay, you see this, we have this, and also the Google Map here. All right, so now let's go to the iOS as well. Go to the iOS, run, and then you can find this word. So add if iOS. So for now we don't need the iOS yet, just leave it first. Okay, let's try to create the hack map first. Okay, we have hack map, and let's come to the view and then file here. Okay, we have the map here, the hatch map, and copy this. I'm sorry, because of the internet is too slow, that's why I cannot copy fast. Okay, it's very good. Now we have done this. So what we need to do is when we have this, and we need to also the here for the home page, so that we have the button of this maybe somewhere. Let me try to find out where we can add that. Maybe description. We have here. Let's try to find somewhere. It's not inside the row, maybe on the top. Container. Okay, maybe in the app bar here you can see this. If not, maybe okay, let's try where we can add it. Let's try to ask them. Okay, I'm sorry because of the internet, it's quite slow. Okay. Okay, now what you can see is we have that, but we don't have the button yet. So what we need to do is, you see that we have to update the body of the home page, and then it will be inside this. You can see this, and then after that this will be list. So I'm going to copy this, all of this, and after I copy this, I'm going to find out where is this. Okay, here is the body. So I'm going to copy all of this, and see that until here. Okay, let's try. Okay, so this is one error coming. Let's try to import the hatch map that we have built. Okay, now it's working well. Let's try to refresh. Okay, you can see that we have the map on the top here. So what we need to do is, after we have completed, we have add this, we also need the API of the map so that it will be working, otherwise it will not be working. So let's try to open the browser that we can include this. So for this video we are going to continue for our next lesson, so that we don't use it the same as here, because now the video is quite long already. Okay, thank you so much, and I see you in the next video.